water, which has sulfate in it, with high temperature water, which has calcium in it, but no sulfate, or very little sulfate. And the mixing also precipitates some metal sulfides, like zinc sulfides. So that beehive structure you're looking at there is these little corrugated layers, growth layers of that anhydrite and metal sulfides. But exactly why it makes that shape, I don't know. If you poke it, it just completely disintegrates. It's powdery. Might break into some thin pieces, but they're quite fragile.
You need a coffee
tie-
or anything?
A coffee might, well, no. I don't think I want coffee.
Okay,
Thank you.
you let me know.
All right. Thank you, Jeff.
You've got a whole ship willing to go get you whatever you need.
Okay.
But all you want is a nap.
Yeah, basically. Okay. Well, that one's too small.